Ayun guys, nandito tayo sa galera and may nakita si Jowa na kainan dito. At eto nga yun. Eto yung famous restaurant. So, the fact na nagustuhan ni Jowa dito, so meaning maganda yung place at na-satisfied siya. So, let's try it. Maganda yung lugar. Ayan. So, according to ate, they are serving mostly European. So, ayun. Ito na guys. And that's my man. Hi. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Do you have a date?
A date?
Yeah?
Yes, and can I show it? Can I show you my date? Here's my date.
Oh, that's your date.
Yeah.
Hi, baby. Okay, so ito yung place. At ano na lugar? So, isa-isahin natin. Wait lang, guys. Yeah. Of course, napaka-pogi. So pogi. Napaka-pogi. So pogi.
Oh, beautiful. Nice. And that butterfly. It's a butterfly. That's something inside.
Saturday is chicken biryani day. Hello po. Ate, ang chicken biryani ay ano yan?
Indian Arabic.
Indian Arabic. Hi, ate. Ate Lisa. Hi, Ate Lisa. Shout out kay Ate Lisa. Konti pa lang followers ko.
Madami yan.
Yeah. So, every Saturday talaga, ate, puro ano lang, chicken biryani. At isa to talaga sa pinaka binabalikan. Okay. Ganda ng idea nyo, ate, ha? With books, tapos ganyan.
Actually, these are painting of my guests. So, they paint, you know, any tourist who comes here, when they paint, they leave it with me. This is one of the paintings of my guests.
Ay, gabi. Ikaw yan, ate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi ito sa inaanak ko, regalo sa akin.
Galing.
We have games din para while waiting for the food.
Yeah. And I already teach him how to play songka.
It's a one-pot meal, but for us, we either cook the rice and the chicken separate, and it's whole quarter leg. But I also make the breast part for the most of European they like, you know, without skin and bones. And then I make it to fit European eye of table setting. So
good.
most the real biryani is one pot meal, and then the rice is also there. And then the spiciness is not so, it's just 4. Yeah. And if you want to add more spicy to the food, you can use the hot salad. And then here we have raita with onion and garlic and yogurt. It's like tzatziki but not really tzatziki. Yeah. So enjoy.
Thank you, Zen. Surely we will enjoy the biryani, the chicken biryani, with the cucumber and can 1 minute. Hi guys. Okay, so Bon appetit. And you tried this one already?
I tasted it.
The other day?
No, first time. But I can recommend this.
Yeah. And you will recommend it.
Yeah.
Definitely. Because it tastes good.
Very good.
And of course, my model. Once he said he recommended it, so meaning it's really good.
You gotta come here tomorrow. Now.
Yes.
I want to see everyone eat this.
Yeah.